Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And now I'm just going to heat this up evenly until it melts. As you can see, I'm warming up the entire ring, and every now and then I am focusing on the soldering joint. And when you're done, drop it in some cold water. I am going to place this in the pickle solution for a good cleanup, and meanwhile we are going to work on the setting for our pearl. We have a very small pearl here, so we only need a little piece of tubing, so I'm going to cut it off right there. Using my trusty miter vise jig to straighten this out. And my fingers are so happy with this one. And a small test fit. I think I can take a little bit more off. Yeah, just a tiny bit. And something that I forgot to add in the introduction, of course you need a small bottom plate for the bezel. And you can just use whatever you have laying around. This is a bit thick, but it was a little leftover piece, so I am going to use it. And this is a very small soldering operation, and you know that I like to use soldering paste whenever that is the case. And again, this is hard silver soldering paste. And all I need to do here is gently warm it up until the solder melts. You just take a pair of pliers and cut it off. And here you can see it's already invisible. And I will place this one in my web shop on www.estona.nl, although it might not be completely coincidental that this is exactly my size. So if this one doesn't get scooped up, I wouldn't be too disappointed. And I hope this tutorial showed you how you can make a piece of jewelry like this yourself.